How to update NetTradeX application to the latest version. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are using NetTradeX and want to update the app to the latest version, first of all open up Google Play Store or App Store. Go to the search box and type in NetTradeX and search. Look for the NetTradeX IFC Markets Trading app from the app result and then look if there is an update button available. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the update to download and install. Once it does, tap on open when the update is finished. If you don't see an update button, then it might mean that you are already using the latest version of the app. So that's how you update the NetTradeX app and now use the latest features available. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.